This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I will show how you can check your data usage on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, onwards open the mobile network category, next enter the data usage, and the following data usage page allows you to see how much cellular data you have used with SIM 1 and SIM 2 respectively. Then if you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage or the general amount of cellular data usage as well, not divided by SIMs, you gotta go for more data settings, or excuse me, more the data usage this month. By default it shows the general amount of mobile data used, but if you would like to, as I've already mentioned, if you would like to see the Wi-Fi usage, just open this list and select Wi-Fi. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.